Hey, how's she going? Mike here, welcome back to Grampie's workshop and the lake. Boys, it's cold here today. Probably minus 12, something like that. It was down to minus 26 last night. That's cold. But we got a big dump of snow here too. It started Sunday night. This is Wednesday. I make my video on Wednesday again. Had a big dump of snow Sunday. It snowed all day Monday and into Tuesday morning. So I was going to do some plowing yesterday afternoon, but when I come out to plow, it was blowing in behind me as quick as I was clearing it out, so I just said, nah, couldn't go back in. And so we're out here today. It's not snowing, that's for sure. Nice blue sky. So we're going to do some plowing, clear out the lane, and probably do the snowblower is going to get a lot of work today because the snow is light and fluffy, and you know, the bank's pretty high, so it's hard for me to plow the snow over the bank with my blade. So I'll be using the snowblower a lot. So come on along. We're going to go over to the Massey Motel and get the Massey Ferguson GC2300 Awesome tractor flashed up. Go do some plowing. So a little look around and just see what it looks like before we plow. Apologize for the wind. Now we're going to go right into the sun, so sorry about that. But the sun is nice, just as bright. So it looks really, really nice. I think there's nothing prettier than a fresh snowfall. So I'm going to get to work with the tractor and kind of mess this up a little. So last night, so cold, I put my trickle charger on. So we'll see how the trickle charger works. All right, we're going to try and start her. We're going to put glow plugs on. I'm going to put the glow plugs on for 20 seconds. Now they say you should only put them on for 10 to 15 seconds, but I'm going to go with 20 seconds. So that's about 10, 11, 12. Let's give her a try. A little bit of throttle. Just looking at the voltage there, it drops about 8.3. So putting glow plugs on for another 10 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 15 seconds. Not yet, another 10 seconds. Another 10 seconds. It ain't gonna go. I have to go get my jumper. So I connected my charger direct to the battery now because the connection, I don't know if that's working. Let's try it again. So we put little glow plugs on her. That sounds better, right? Put some more glow plugs on it. Well, my batteries died in the cameras, so I wasn't able to video finishing the plowing, but we did get it all finished. Check that out. Yeah, there was a lot of snow. I did a lot of blowing with the blower. It's a good base down now for running the blower, right? A couple inches of snow on the ground, so it's good. The blower can handle that without picking up rocks. So anyways, I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up me. Sorry I haven't been making many good videos lately, but just don't have the time. I'm not sure how many more videos I'm going to even be able to make because my time is just, you know, I don't have the time to come out to the shop to work on projects, so consequently no videos. But anyways, whenever I can get one done, I'll post it. I hope you'll be there to watch it. Have a great week, folks, wherever you are, and don't forget, take it easy. We'll talk to you.